Living a healthy lifestyle is more than just a trend. It's a commitment to nurturing your body and mind. The journey begins with making conscious decisions about what you eat. Embrace a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Imagine colorful plates filled with vibrant fruits bursting with flavor, and leafy greens that provide essential nutrients. Opt for meals that celebrate the natural goodness of food, steering clear of processed items high in sugar and saturated fats. Physical activity is another cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Picture the invigorating feeling of a brisk walk in the fresh air. As your heart pumps and your spirits lift, regular exercise not only improves physical health, but also enhances mental well-being. Engage in activities that you enjoy. Whether it's dancing, biking, or yoga, this approach transforms exercise from a chore into a joyful experience, fostering a deeper connection between body and mind. Moreover, embracing happiness is vital in the quest for a healthy lifestyle. Think of happiness as a radiant light, illuminating your path and enhancing every aspect of your life. Cultivate practices that increase joy, such as mindfulness meditation or gratitude journaling. Take moments throughout your day to appreciate the small things: a warm cup of tea, a brilliant sunset, or the laughter shared with friends. These moments of connection strengthen your overall sense of well-being. Establishing a balanced routine can significantly impact your journey. Picture your daily schedule incorporating time for wholesome meals, physical activity, and moments of relaxation. Prioritize self-care, allowing yourself to recharge amid life's hustle and bustle. A well-rounded approach equips you to face challenges head-on, enabling you to thrive instead of simply survive. Finally, remember that progress is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate small victories along the way, from choosing a healthy snack to completing a workout. Each step forward is a testament to your commitment to a healthier you. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who share similar goals, creating a vibrant community that motivates and encourages one another. Together, you can inspire positive changes in each other's lives. In conclusion, embracing a healthy lifestyle involves a harmonious blend of nutritious eating, enjoyable physical activities, and nurturing your happiness. Start today. Visualize your ideal healthy life and take actionable steps toward making it a reality. With each choice you make, you pave the way for a brighter and healthier future. Embarking on the journey to a healthy lifestyle starts with nourishing your body through mindful eating. Imagine filling your plate with an array of colorful fruits and vegetables, their vibrant hues reflecting their rich nutritional values. Whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats become your allies in achieving optimal health. Not only do these foods fuel your body, but they also delight your senses with their diverse textures and flavors. As you savor each bite, you can feel the energy revitalizing every cell, creating a profound connection between your meals and your overall well-being. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine is essential to enhance your healthy lifestyle. Picture yourself engaging in activities that bring you joy, whether it's dancing, hiking, or cycling. Each movement invigorates your body, releasing endorphins that elevate your mood and create a sense of accomplishment. Establishing a consistent exercise routine empowers you to set and achieve health goals. As your stamina improves and muscles strengthen, experience the thrill of newfound abilities, making movement an enjoyable part of your daily life. Embracing happiness is the final pillar of a healthy lifestyle. Envision a life filled with positivity and gratitude, where you take moments to appreciate the little things, surrounding yourself with supportive relationships and engaging in activities that ignite your passions, foster joy and resilience. Mindfulness practices such as meditation or journaling allow you to reflect on your journey, helping you stay grounded and centered amid life's chaos. Making time for self-care isn't just a luxury. It's a necessity that nurtures your mental and emotional health, ultimately contributing to your overall happiness. Operating at the intersection of good nutrition, regular movement, and timeless happiness forms a triangle of health that elevates every aspect of your life. Picture yourself waking each day revitalized, eager to make choices that benefit you and those around you. This healthy lifestyle is not a fleeting goal, but a lifelong commitment to oneself. As you embark on this transformative journey, know that each small step contributes to a larger narrative of health and well-being, creating a beautiful tapestry that reflects your unique path toward vitality and joy.